Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir. So, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Seen? I want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. And viewers, visitors, if you like the content, subscribe and make it grow it no man. Let's help grow it. You don't know, so it go. Seen? Might not run in line with your cup of tea, but at the end of the day, the intent is pure, as you can see. You know, see? So, my brethren look upon me. My brethren a reason. A big man friend. Very intelligent youth. We have observed the politics of Jamaica from way back when. See? Big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself, mass up. See, so mass up I show me a little concern, you know, like you want to say. I already go back to Jamaica, you have to be careful and things like that. But you know what, really and truly, you can't be too careful. See? And even boy, I just see him. In a little way. You know, see? Because black life is cheap. See? The cheapest life on the planet is a black man life. See? Like I'm going to show you now a little clip here. Watch a little clip here. I'm going to explain something. You see it? We're going to take up, we might dissect about 2 clips in this thing here. See? You see something, I don't think the full extent of the video did it anymore on the internet. Somehow members of our community allowed it to be scrubbed it, or partaking of the whole thing. You know, see, obviously, because it's not just Chinese history, our Chinese reputation, our history as well, and our reminders and our point in times, you know, see. Anyway, watch a little clip and we could discuss it a little after.
Somebody you say you know that.
Sir, me give $40, sir.
Little bit tired, me be talking him.
Yes, sir. So I just that alone we can't find, no matter how much search, we can't find the full clip. You know, see it, and you don't know. We just want to highlight certain issue. The full clip show certain level of abuse. Still, one don't think couldn't be conducive with the YouTube guidelines. But fact is, you can imagine now, I could say Germany, anywhere in Europe or anything like that, a Jamaican go open a shop. I could go to China, you know, and put the shoes on the other foot. You know, see, got teeth there everywhere, suspicion there everywhere, theory there everywhere. Everybody have them little hang-ups and them thing there. You know, see. So just can you imagine what the public reaction that be? You can imagine the picture where that would paint of Jamaica, the repercussions and all of that. How much official politician would have to get involved and apologize for the behavior of one Jamaican. See, you're still a Chinese woman or an Asian woman who apparently haven't even mastered English language yet. Much less the patois where she try to talk. See, take it up on herself, put hands on a black child like that in a predominantly black country. Seeing it's unheard of. It's not unheard of, sorry. You see, the thing about it is, if you reverse the scenario, seeing blood will run in any other community, and you'll have serious consequences to issues like those. Whereas a child, you know, see it in a school uniform and them sort of thing, they wear a plea to you, plea them innocence to you, and without even investigating the child's claim, you put hands on people picnic. Now, a whole heap of people it get involved, but that may show you about the involvement of certain people when them coming at your things. And certain people don't really mean us no good. Certain people just dead for the opportunity where the photo opportunity where the moment provide. You know, see, because very soon after that the case was dropped, there was no case to be answered to in the court. You know, see, an incident like that was videoed and recorded and broadcasted on social media, no doubt the authorities would have had a copy. It would, you know, it did the rounds to the point where it came to the knowledge of the authority, and I'm sure some arrest was made, but no pursuance was forthcoming from the parents involved. We know what bribe them get, bribe or intimidation or something like that. We know we know. See. But again, the disgrace about that nobody can bribe by the China people. Them couldn't find them and access them and bribe them themselves. Our own local Jamaican, you know, take a bribe for themselves, go find the people and bribe them. Or take a bribe for themselves, go find the people them and intimidate them for them drop this case. See, our own government again, now see it as an example for stamp out certain impertinence among certain type of visitor who come amongst us who've got this pension to be abusive to local people wherever them go across the world. You know, see, our government never take no opportunity for stamp out them thing there. You know, see it, even amongst us and the sickos, the sick head one them with amongst us who claim say them a hit this, them a shatter, them a killy, them a that, all of them a be cowards. You know, see it. You know, see it, because them realize say the only life, the easiest life to take and get away with, apart from a wild animal, is a black person. See, if you hurt a black person, you quicker, anybody in the world, are the easiest murder to get away with, or the easiest crime to get away with. Little or no effort is put into these investigations. You know, see, and the biggest, the most compassion is shown to the perpetrators of these criminal activities against black people. You know, see, these people are always considered to have lost their way or been in a mental state suddenly, you know, out of the blues and things like that. You know, see, and when it come on to our own black people, and when you do get a conviction or something like that, you know, you get the full length of the lie, good at a death sentence, a life sentence, or something like that. But again, it benefits the status quo, it benefits the stereotype. Another black man off of the street, so instead of one life gone, you have two. The life where him take and for him life is lost. Because it's very unlikely for society know who do it and make them walk or show them any compassion when them get in a trouble. You know, see, so if the case should ever occur where a guy get caught on camera or get with witness and go through trial and things like, he might feel the food, no compassion, no show, no consideration, no show for feel emotional state or anything like that. You know, see it. Furthermore, he might get characterized as the worst evil on the planet, which in most cases, it come like, you know, the characterization is precise because what kind of man pray, you know, see, it's a predator them there because it's him aware, him is a black man himself. And black people are aware of how easy it is for somebody to hurt them and get away with it. And them know this is the reason why them have a penchant for hurt them one another. You're never very rare, or probably by accident, you see a black man come out and race and go hurt another one. Particularly taking life taking and things like that. I'm not encouraging it. I'm just saying, stating the reality. See? Black man know it's easier to kill him own black person and get away with it, even by him own self. So this is where you find the bloodthirst murderer them, the sick of them who born with a psychological disease, seen, and just have a bloodlust You say you find say them people you know, you know, stark and be a predator on their own disadvantaged, disenfranchised community. You know, see. So the actions and the attitude enough you today of which they were persuaded, influence, you know, to involve themselves certain way, them only do the duties and the bidding of the oppressors. You see. See, Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter in a way where the more the merrier. We are at that point, that pivotal point in history where some declaration have to be made. You understand what I'm saying? And the more people and the more vote, the more, you know what I'm saying, the more argument we have. See? So we have to be looking out for this aspect. Our safety. You know, see? And we have to admit the truth and point out so we spot all of this thing I come from. Life is cheap. It don't make no sense as a black man you have fret and worry about it again. You're a prime target for bloodlusty people. Even a serial killer who is not, who probably is motivated by race and his racial motivation is not yours, you know, just for the sake of seeing some other gratification, a guy will just take out a black man easily because a waste man that, you know, see, him not value nothing. You know, see, it's the reason why enough people can relate to our cry and claims of violence and atrocious actions towards us because them other races now experience it, not just races, even class. Even certain other class in Jamaica now experience it. The gun shooting and the violence no cross certain divide, you know. As big as Mobia is, or as small as Mobia is, and as enough as the gun them is, you'll never hear a certain shooting go a certain place. You see, because them people are up here, so are foreign, them affluent, and it hard by a man and you go and get arrested. Even caught on CCTV when CCTV and them things don't exist. You see, so you wonder more time, even the criminal them wonder if them no wonder how them robust level of investigation apply when one of them self dead, one of them ghetto brother dead, or one of them next gangster enemy over there so dead, or an ally dead. Get them murdered. You see?
Hey, for Town Park. I'd like to know that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Look, hello everybody. Would you like to see? This boy was with the rest of them. Sorry, young man. But there's a reason why he's not in handcuffs. And this young man is in handcuffs. And this young man is in handcuffs. Excuse me, officer, could you please explain why he's in handcuffs, the black boy is in handcuffs, this black boy is in handcuffs, they was all together and this man is not in handcuffs. Please explain that. Explain it. Sir, can you see the difference? He's not in handcuffs, and this young boy is in handcuffs, and this young boy is in handcuffs, but they was all together. Please explain that. Enfield. And they say that racism is not here no more. Why? Why is the two black boys in handcuffs and he's not? They was all together. Go on, explain that, officers. Explain that. Explain that, officers. Explain that. You can't. Fuckers, man. It's fucking bullshit. And you lot took.
Yeah, aye. But they are again, you know? So I say, even in Jamaica, man, you have that obvious divide where the man, them, no matter how brutal them claims are, no matter how vicious them is, you see, no matter how much time them shoot out to the police, whether be it successful or unsuccessful or what, it is a brave attempt. You know, see, well, again, for go up against trained people, you have to have some sick intent or be extraordinarily brave. You know, see. So we have to put it down to brave, because enough of them go walk street tomorrow morning the same way. You know, see, good as new. See? But no matter how much of that them doing, I never see them cross the uptown barrier and go try anything. Not that I'm encouraging it, I'm just pointing out an obvious fact. Seeing a historically obvious fact. Seeing if it come even to certain class Even if I the same race, once you find yourself past certain class and above certain, you know, it's like it becomes untouchable to them youth, yeah, Rasta. You know, see them. It's like them feel like if them shoot you, it not gonna hurt you. You know, see, this is the fact. It's the obvious fact. You know, see, them a waste a shot or a waste a attempt at a robbery or oppressing or any form of, you know, violent activity against, you know, certain class of people. Again, not that I'm encouraging it. I'm stating an obvious fact, particularly amongst the black community. See, black criminals, the easiest target for them is their own black community members and things like that. You know, see, so at this point in time, at my age and things like that, a wasteful actions really there. I said me a fret what some guy might want to do when them hold me or whenever. Cause you don't have to do nothing. You see, right now people gonna buy many box food already in preparation for when I get close. You see, cause all you have to do is just start charm the right disadvantage get to you probably a couple of weeks or a couple of months first. You know, start time after time, you start buying some liquor, buying some lunch and them thing there. You done have him gun put on already. You see, then when you see a target now, you just start preach the evil. You see, obviously you know the whole scenario, the whole plan, and you just start drop your subliminal message them. You see, and hint. And when the time is right, the hate and the confidence is already developed in the youth and consciously and them they even know. So it's easy for him just come take you out because you met the boss and comfortable, you met the man where feed him and comfortable and them way there, and him it's not like him get a lump sum of what it would have really taken a hit man for assassinate or take you out. You see, it's easy. It's one of the cheapest things these days, Rasta. You see it. Worse when the youth them under them vibes. You see it. Under them special. A terrible thing. You can't deny them reality. Yeah. I man now say a youth that they ready and I wait for I and I to take I out. I tell you the reality of what things are like. You see it. A youth young enough him to realize say, oh, I give that guy, I give him things because he want to use me one day. No, him just know say, yeah, him good all feel like him just know say him have to do everything what him do. To preserve the resource here, show all respect and all loyalty. It's the streets. You know, see it. And a deterrent are there. Parents were there watch what go on and know say that I go on to and either choose for say nothing or can't say nothing. I don't understand it because the road where enough of them travel before too. You see it, and the cycle continues. Seeing no positivity. Seeing no positive, no upward mobility at the end of the day. Things remain the same since the 60s. You see it. You see it. And it continues. You see it. So that's what the meds them then and I like we don't love life, but we love when we can enjoy life the way we used to enjoy it, where majority of the people them in the party I enjoy themselves. You see, and I just we alone over here so and I watch everybody over there so I struggle. You see, we not depend that it can't work. So see? So I have to shout and scream out for the rest of people who want to eat, just join the line, you know, because a long time we used to that. A long time we used to people I hate for whatever various reasons. You see? So we used to it and nothing new. You see, and the love and the appreciation and the acceptance of the new family and the family where we are developed with this medium here. You see? That is what's new to I. You see it. So if I go and have to continue, this is and this is what I would like to preserve. See? And it's simple. In preserving this, all I have to do is just go and make some boy belly hurt them and them head hurt them and disagree with me same way. And we're good. Me and my new family good. You know, see, big up yourself, A1 Shine, my general, UK and sign. Mad love and respect, you know, you. See, Mark Springer, big up yourself, my general. You don't know. Spranger General, bless up yourself. You see, all of the man them in Brooklyn, 90s massive. Yo, you know, so from me, youth star, more visit the 90s. I'm going to do it today. I'm going to come check on the 90s star. Jano, yeah. It's a bucket list. You see, big up all of my elder, all of my general them in New York. No matter where you go. Hey, Raleigh, no matter where you want to say, you know, you grow me. You know, see, Jeff, Shantilo, Tishan. You know, see it all around. Big up on yourself, my general, them, my elder. Seeing, run it back. Every day, any day, my general. Seeing, mad love and respect. Seeing? Yes, I. Share, like, and subscribe, and make a grow the thing, because you don't know. You know, Rastafari name. Seeing?